there's a lot of people who want to ignore their body in favor of just work, 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 work. And they're like, don't rest, don't take a break, don't take care of your body, just go, 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 go. And the price of that is they get very aged very quickly. They prematurely age. They look 10, 20, 30 years older than their actual age. So when you are a copywriter, you're at your desk, at your keyboard, probably sitting most of the day, maybe standing if you have a standing desk, but you're using your fingers, and maybe now with like AI and dictation, you're speaking and then it's transcribing a lot of what you're saying. But either way, you're like using your throat, your voice, or your hands or your fingers, or you're just like using your body, like you're using your arms to type the words. It's like physical action. And sometimes your body gets sore, sometimes you get tired, sometimes you ache, and sometimes you're in pain. A lot of that's related to diet. Like if you're eating stuff that causes inflammation, that's gonna give you aches and pains, and it's just gonna slow you down and prematurely age you. So being mindful of your diet and what you're eating is step number one, obviously. Hydrating, drinking water is step number two. But also, here's something that I've been using for a long time. This is called a tapper. This is a Meridian tapper. I don't think you will find this anywhere on the internet, but this is what you can use to like let go of pain and aches and stiffness and all of it. And I'll show you guys how I use this. So this is just like, you literally tap it on your body, on your muscles. There's like these lines that you can go, so you like go up this line on your arm, and you go, I always get like really sore on my forearm. And so I love to tap right here. It just feels so good. And you do it very gently. You don't want to like hurt yourself or hurt your tendons or anything like that. And then you can do the other side. But it basically feels so good. And it's just a nice way to like make your body feel better. You can also tap like on your hip bone, your back, right? Even on your head. Like it just very gently. Don't fucking hurt yourselves, okay? Like all around. And it just feels so good. And I've had this thing for probably like 12 years. Like I won't let anybody touch this. It has organic mung beans on the inside, and it's like very well stitched. It's obviously kind of old. But yeah, it's a Meridian tapper, and you literally use it to tap on the places that are achy. I actually have this whole routine that I do like all over my body. Sometimes daily, but at least once a week, like depending on if I feel like my body needs it. And I don't know, it just really helps. I'm sure there's like a whole science behind like the pressure points and acupuncture and all that, like whatever those acupuncture points are, but tapping, like you can feel it. You can literally, like I already feel like relaxed now, like especially in your shoulders right here. Cause we can get like really, hunched up sometimes if we're not mindful of our posture, or if we're just working too long and we don't take a break. I'm constantly taking like a break on my eyes when I'm at the keyboard. I will look up outside. I happen to have a great view outside of my window. I'm just constantly looking around and giving my eyes a break. And yeah, it's things like that that make your experience as a writer much more enjoyable versus being in pain all day long, being tired. Like I can't afford to get tired. I save my tiredness until late at night when I'm about to go to bed, and then it's time to sleep and I'm like, thank God, I can't wait for sleep. Much better than being an insomniac, not being able to sleep and finding myself at like 10:30 at night with my mind racing and I just can't fall asleep. So I do all these little things to enhance my experience as a writer, and it just makes me more productive. It makes me feel better, and in my opinion, it keeps me young. I mean, people are usually shocked to find out what my age is. People literally think I'm like 10, 20 years younger than my age. I'm like, are you serious right now? I'll take it. And then when I look at people that are my age, they look 10, 20 years older than me. And I'm like, well, are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of your health? That's huge.